Alright, we're going on a quick test drive here. Steering wheel's perfectly straight. Drive straight, alignment feels good. These upshifts and downshifts are all perfect, nice and smooth. Sounds really good. Brakes feel good. When you apply the brakes, I don't feel any vibrations. Easy turning radius. Really no complaints with the drivability. Alright, we're going to do a visual condition report. So we're looking for scuffs, scratches, chips, dings, any cosmetic imperfections that we can find, and really just assessing the overall condition, going panel by panel. Now this is a satin wrap. The car underneath is gloss black. Here on this wheel, I don't see any curb rash. Date code on the tires is 2024 Netto NT555 G2s. Looking at the wrap, you're going to see some little impacts here. Little impact there, and I say impact like a little rock or something. Got the carbon on the mirrors with PPF. Looking at that pillar, there's your little relief cut. And then you have full wrap up here. You do have a couple impacts on that. Looks really good. Got the carbon here. It's got PPF on it as well. Yep, full PPF on there protecting it. I do see a little spot in the film right there. You got film on that as well. As far as the quality of wrap, you can see it's really pretty so far. They did a good job. The edges look good. Here on this wheel, you got a little scuff on the edge. Otherwise, looks really nice. Carbon ceramics. Got the carbon spoiler. Looks really, really good so far. This tent right here, you can see it's peeling back. So you need to get that replaced, super cheap. No film on the headlights. Now you're going to see little impacts kind of peppered throughout the front there. If we get really close, you're going to see some of those. You have a couple here on the top side. Typical rock impacts down there. I do see rash right here. I'm gonna see it kind of shaved that off just a little bit. See a little bit of rash. See a little bit of rash here. A little rash right there. And then a little spot there. That light looks good. Typical rock impacts. Another one there. A couple little scuffs. Here on this wheel. I don't see any rash. Mirror looks good. That looks nice. A couple small chips there, or little impacts on that film. That carbon looks good. Same here. You have a few scuffs in the film there. A couple bubbles. Got a little marking. The wheel looks good. Smoked out tail lights, marker lights. It's just a vinyl film, so those can be removed if you want to be a little more legal, I would say. see some bubbles in the film. That stuff's just bubbles, those are not chips. You got the full carbon here on that diffuser. Looks awesome. I'm checking out the spoiler. You got film on it, so you're gonna see right here, that's just some bubbles in the film, but it is fully protected. Edge right there, you're gonna see a couple bubbles. That looks good. All right, checking out the interior. It is a non-smoker. Looking at that panel, that looks good. All those buttons are nice and clean. Do see a couple tiny scuffs there. Otherwise, that's in great condition. Got the dry carbon here. Looking at that, that looks good. A couple micro scratches here and there on that trim. And you do have your typical wear here on the bolster, which is really just some wrinkles. Same here. You have a couple scuffs, some deeper wrinkles. Upper section looks nice. You're gonna see some of those little kind of wavy indentions from just everyday use. You got the wrinkles in here. Looking at the steering wheel. Overall in great condition. Got the dry carbon here. That looks really good. That looks nice. Shifter's clean. All the carbon here. It's in great condition. A couple little scuffs on the leather. And here on this side of the dash. From what I can tell, all of that is in great condition. All right, looking at this door panel. Upper section looks good. Got all the carbon. Handle's clean. Lower side looks good. Got the dry carbon in here. Looks really good. Typical wrinkles on the seat from getting in and out. That looks good. Now you do have a couple scuffs there. You can see that. And then you have a couple scuffs right here. This side of the console. A couple markings. You're going to see a little indentation there. Upper side of the dash looks good. Glove box area, nice and clean. Got the all-weather mats. And then checking out the engine bay. You have carbon all the way around. Looks absolutely gorgeous. Very clean. Here in the front, all of that looks good. Plastics are nice and clean. Underside looks awesome. Then looking at the windshield, you do have a large crack right here. We have a brand new one on the way, so we're just waiting for that to get here to install.